Lysol. It's everybody's friend.
Today it is. Hey, live, laugh, love, RVers. I'm Chris.
And I'm Trish.
And where are we headed to now, Trish?
We're going to head over to Golden Gate Canyon National Park, or State Park, excuse me. Golden Gate Canyon State Park.
Dateline, March 14th, 2020, Colorado. Why are we still in Colorado?
Oh, yeah. We didn't go on our Florida trip.
3 nights ago, we were 3 hours away from getting on our plane to head to Florida on our vacation. We actually had the Lyft driver. His car was in our driveway and he was in our living room. And we canceled our trip abruptly. Actually postponed it.
We postponed it.
Because just moments before we had postponed it, President Trump placed a national or an international travel ban. We were worried that we would be in Florida and there would be a domestic travel ban. Plus, we were also worried that we'd get to Florida and they would be closing a lot of things that we wanted to see. And just last night, we saw that they did close or limit availability to the Flagler Museum.
There will be panic the likes of which we have never seen.
So we didn't want to go there and not have fun, so we postponed it. And we stayed in Colorado instead.
We're here.
Try to remain calm.
But
that's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, you know, we're better safe than sorry. You know, if we would have gotten stuck there, we have 4 animals, and we would have been worried about them.
We had a house sitter.
We had a house sitter. We both have jobs. I mean, so
we could have worked remotely because of our jobs.
Yes.
However, the job that I have, I'm a safety and risk manager for a city just north of Denver, and my involvement has actually increased in the last 72 hours.
God damn it, I'd piss on a spark plug if I thought it'd do any good.
And it increased the day that we were supposed to leave. That Wednesday, I was actually on a conference call with other government officials with the White House over this coronavirus, but I was able to still leave. But then come Thursday, a lot of things changed. We stayed home, and the direction of all this changed. So my job has been very busy the last 2 days. Today's Saturday. But Trish is also working on her emergency plan for her job. So today we decided to kind of get out of the house. We're keeping our social distancing, which obviously with you're social distanced from us. But we're in the truck, just her and I. The pups are behind us. We're going to go up to the mountains and check out our future camp spot at Golden Gate State Park. We are actually quite prepared. We have that.
We have our hand sanitizer.
We have our Lysol, and
I have baby wipes too in here somewhere.
And we have disinfected the heck out of ourselves, and we're keeping distance from others. We're just going to go for a drive, so we're not cooped up in the house, because who knows, in the next few days or few weeks we might be cooped up in the house, depending on where this all goes. So
I'm hoping and praying that does not happen and this kind of just goes away. We're not downplaying it by any means, no. But you know, we're just hoping that it just kind of, you know, everything just kind of settles down, and just hope that everybody's okay, you know.
Wherever you're at, we hope it doesn't affect you or your family members. Luckily the weekend came, which is helping a lot of people right now. Trish and I were out and about today, and we've actually seen Shamrock food service semis, we've seen Target semis, we've seen Amazon vehicles. So commerce is continuing, and that's a good thing. But we also don't want to decrease our morale, so we're out and about. We're going to actually head up to the mountains here. We're right at the foothills now of Golden, Colorado. These are the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, the actual first mountains, if you want to call them that. That's why they call them foothills of the Rocky Mountains. West of us, or east of us, behind us are the plains out to Kansas, and then in front of us is the majestic Rocky Mountains of Colorado, and that's where our campsite will be, is up the canyon. So we're going to be heading up there in a minute. Well, it might be a little bit longer because I'm behind a student driver. So bear with us on that. I know one thing, when I was a police officer and I was in a police car, I would get behind student drivers, and I figured if they could pass that test, then they were good to be on anybody's streets.
You just made them nervous.
Well, I'd see them look in their mirror quite a bit. So right in frontly and directly in front of us is the first foothill that starts the mountain range. It's kind of fun to say this is the first plot of dirt right there that starts it.
My dog had to poop. Go right in there.
Yes, so we're gonna have to come in the other way then, because we want our door near the picnic table. There's our spot. When are we gonna be here? July. Hopefully the snow will be gone by then. Spot 13 in July. There's the restrooms. I don't know if we can get to the restrooms without cutting through somebody's spot or what. Yeah. Yeah. What's fresh? Oh yeah. No, it's the deer with their antlers. This is our exit. Hey, what'd you think of the little spot?
It was cool. It was nice. It'll be fun.
Once all the snow's gone.
Yeah, I think
That's
so.
about a 9-foot drift right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow up here. But it'll be fun come July.
Yep, all the snow will be gone and we'll be in there. It's a nice side of the road we're on.
We're going to go to through Loop A, and that's sites 1 through 18.
8.
Oh, 1 through 8, excuse me. And I think these are electric, I'm not sure.
Well, we'll see if it's electric.
There's people up here, y'all, and they are
I
camping.
see an electric box there.
There, yeah.
Big breaker box there. There's one, there's electric box.
Yeah, so there people are tent camping.
Yeah, this is electric.
Yeah, and this guy has a little camper. So these people are
These are
probably
smaller sites. We couldn't get a 40-foot trailer in there.
maybe Boy Scouts because they're
Yeah,
up here camping.
Doing their cold weather survival.
Yeah. Crazy, I'd say, but you know, more power to you.
So here's the 8th spot right there. It's,
Yeah.
you blink and it's over.
So these are for littler trailers, it
There's
looks
a Ranger.
like. There's Ranger Danger.
So Rangers are patrolling in March.
Yeah. But I'll tell you, I got to give credit to these people that are out here tent camping. Wow, that's amazing.
We should try it.
Yeah, okay. In our backyard. Trash made it funny. Lysol. It's everybody's friend.
Today it is.
And it always should have been, folks. Come on. Who doesn't clean their house and disinfect it at least once a week or once a month? And who doesn't wash their hands all the time?
Well, one thing's for certain during this crisis. We have verified that people wipe their ass. There's no doubt about that. Well,
And hopefully now they all wash their hands too.
I hope that's what all this toilet paper is going for, is ass wiping.
Or they're just being a bunch of ass wipes.
Because why does somebody need so much toilet paper when it's a respiratory virus?
Dead guy days canceled. How was that, I wonder?
You know it's bad when the dead guy days are canceled. Well, you know it's bad when they've canceled dead guy days.
Well, that's the thing here in Colorado, in this little town of Netherland. Did they freeze it? Is it some guy that was frozen?
Cryogenics.
And they have a Dead Guy Days festival every year. And do they display him?
No.
No. So I don't know, but we apparently aren't that into it, thank goodness. So
He's in a tough shed and sometimes he is. He's in a tough shed of some sort, and some family member or heir to his wishes brings tons of dry ice and throws it. You know, it's just Dead Guys Days is canceled.
Google it if you're interested.
I don't want to even perceive that I know anything about it. Gives a new meaning to Rocky Mountain High.
What did I get?
What do you got going?
Oh, well, this is a new company called Crumble Cookies. They just opened up here in Brighton. And this is just, it's really bad.
We thought we should get 4 before the apocalypse comes.
Can you believe this? This is just, I mean, I can have half.
You're not on there yet. Get it up a little higher. There you
There you
go.
go.
Now you're talking.
So I figured if I have half today, half tomorrow, half Monday, and half Tuesday,
But what if
then,
there is no Tuesday? What if there is no tomorrow?
well, then
As
I'll
Bill Murray
have
would say, there wasn't one today.
What if there were no tomorrow?
And we went in there and there was only one person ahead of us. Now there's a line of 10.
So obviously
So we did well.
that's not affecting that economy.
No. And the man said, not have a good day, he said, have a happy apocalypse. So we're just making light of it, you know.
Well, what do you think of our little trip?
It was fun. Had a good day.
Relaxing, got us out, didn't keep us cooped up in the house.
Yeah. It was fun.
We saw some winter weather.
In the sunshine.
We saw where we're going to be. We got some fresh air. Dog enjoyed it. So
Yeah.
thanks for coming along with us.
All in all, it was a great day.
We appreciate you watching this short little blurb. Hopefully there will be many, many more.
Yes.
Hopefully. So until then, this is Live, Laugh, Love RVing out. Don't forget to wash your hands.